Char. Anyway, guys. Oh my god, it's been so long. Sorry for my hair, but it's been so long. And now I'm getting ready for school. Grabe na yung punit na itong pants na to. Anyway, we're going to class. Bye-bye. New favorite coffee, guys. Busang coffee.
Hello.
Nasa akin yung coffee mo, ah. Yeah, but we start at 11:10. Hi guys, we're on a break. Welcome back to vlogging.
Hi, vlog.
Ano? Huh?
If may questions po kayo about college life, just comment it down below.
Ayoko, wag kayong magko-comment. Wala akong time mag-reply. Sa JSEC kami, the class is done. Talagang 3 hours yung class today. Buti kinaya natin. But anyway, she's buying some food. Kasi hindi pa siya nagla-lunch.
Ako kumakain today. Ang funny ng pangalan ng food nila dito sa lab. Yung cheese ng tatay ko. Try natin.
Hi guys, I am still in JSEC. I'm with Mads. Mads is returning her plate. Mga 3:30 pa kasi uwi si Mads, so I might go na rin. I'm just killing time kasi I have a paper to write.
For the vlog.
Hi, I'm with Brian.
Oh, the vlog is back.
We're gonna eat dinner. Hindi namin alam kung saan. We'll see. Oh, no. So, update. Nauwi kami sa... Saan to? Canto Freestyle. After nito, uwi na ako. This is like early dinner kasi wala pang 6 o'clock. Pero gutom na ako. So, bili na lang tayo ng snack later. Hi guys. Kakawi ko lang. I got my bill for the month of August and it took me by surprise. I didn't expect my bill to be this big. I mean, kakabalik ko lang kasi nung... Ilan ba akong bumalik? 7. Okay. So, the billing date was from July 8 to August 7. But bumalik ako dito August 7. So, why is it like this? Anyway, I'm gonna go get changed kasi I still have a paper to write. Like, last minute write kasi it's due tomorrow 11 a.m. and di pa ako start. So, let's go! Cram! eyes super red and swollen. So, hindi na pansinin. Papasok na ako. Actually, haven't had breakfast, but it's already past 9. Class pa ako ng 9:30. See you guys sa campus. Hi guys! Medyo okay na yung eye ko. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng eye drops. Punta na kami ng JSET for lunch.
Kakagaling ko lang sa picture ko.
Get well soon. Get well soon. Since walang seat sa JSET, punta lang kami sa Kowa Order. I met Zay and Felix. Nawala na lang bigla si JP kasi may meeting na naman siya.
Ay, di ba po? Magkakagulo kasi.
Saan na lang kami napupunta, guys? Jana. Perfect. Init, but nakabili na ako ng lunch ko. Naiwan ko pa yung wallet ko eh, but I'm going back to Kowa room.
We are panicking. Actually, hindi naman panic.
We are workaholic people. Ito na, may coffee na ako.
Water because I need water.
We're functioning. Tapos na ang classes namin today. We're going back to Kowa room. Hi! Shout out kila Cheska. Love you so much.
Same design sa
Merch on the floor.
So, 8. Hi guys, nasa core room kami ngayon kaya hindi kami co-op. Let's do it for creators.
No, for project. Pareho kami.
Is it okay? This is for my vlog.
Oh my gosh, hello!
Hey guys, good morning. It's already past 10 and meron akong medical appointment para sa isang subject ko. I cannot miss this kaya pupunta na ako ng campus. I have a class at 1 p.m. pa. So after nung medical checkup ko, baka kumain na lang muna ako ng lunch. Anyway, let's go to school. As usual, guys. So this is our fit today. Very basic. I don't know, I've been into basic fits lately. So I brought a really huge bag with me. Hey guys, sa campus na ako and walang katao-tao rito. As you can see. I'm gonna wait for my appointment kasi 10:45 pa ako nakaschedule. I'm gonna wait first and then I'll update you later. Okay, anyway, I'm walking again kasi as it turns out, I was in the wrong venue. I can't believe nawawala pa rin ako sa Ateneo. I'm walking there, hinihingal ako. So, see you there. Papunta na kami sa class namin. Speed eating. Kasi ilang minutes na lang. Actually, 10 minutes na lang. Time na. Chill walk muna kami kasi pareho kami nabusog.
Pero siya kalahati lang yung ginastos natin.
True, 125 lang.
Okay.
JP, nasa 300 na naman yung kinain. My God.
Na lumalaban at the front lines of these issues which you have chosen.
Hey guys, hindi pa tapos yung class ko. Nag-toilet break lang ako. Nag-retouch din ako. It's currently 3:25. Mag-e-end yung class namin ng 4. Sagad-sagad. So, since 1 p.m. pa kami nandito, sorry hindi na ako nakapag-update. Hindi ko pa sure kung saan ako pupunta after. I might get my dinner outside. Basta antok na antok ako. Nothing's happening naman. We're getting acquainted with the partner areas naman. We have this subject na kailangan naming mag-immersion. So that's outside campus. At least for us, outside campus. Ngayon, we're just ending with a bit of a role play. After nun, I think they're gonna dismiss us. Class is done. I'm going to IRH. We are meeting Cheska and Ryder. As usual, busy sila sa org work, so I'm there to offer them support. I'm with JP and Ira. They're talking about work na naman. Cheska, speaking of, hello.
Hi, vlog. If you need help with therapy. Oh, I need therapy.
You wanna say hi?
Okay.
Hello.
We want Coco, but there's none in Grab.
Uy, sino gusto sumama sa akin mag-ramen?
Kailan?
Ngayon.
Ang lang pera, be.
Ha?
Ay, yung malaki.
Oo.
Isa lang.
JP yun.
May tugs-tugs dito.
We're on the 4th floor. We'll wait for Cheska. Anyway, uwi na sana ako kaso biglang umulan ng super malakas. Tapos nakasambas ako. I'm not gonna walk. I'm not walking. Hey guys, good evening. It is currently 10:40 and when I was editing this vlog, I realized I didn't make a proper outro. So here's an outro for you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, please like the video. And if you want to see more from me, please turn on the notification bell and you'll be notified when I post my next vlog, which is very soon. So I'll see you next week. Good night.